Hold that one.
What are you, a camel?
Pull over!
No, it's a cardigan, but thanks for noticing.
Pull your vehicle to the side of the road!
You fellas been doing a bit of boozing, have you?
No, oh no, sir. No,
Well, what's that? Come on, give me that booze, you little pumpkin pie hair-cutted freak. Come on.
Sir, no, wait.
No, sir, don't.
You'd keep your mouth shut if you knew it was good for you, buddy.
Tic-tac, sir?
Get the hell out of here.